aware of my dynamics organization. Where do we come from? What was our land back in the days? And what is going on now? More than anything in person, to withdraw it has still a business investigation, and yet we have not received a presentation at the investigation officially. When I'm at least okay, now, when I everything, and I was saying to myself, if I have a lot of essay, I don't think I saw any problem for now. There, I gave this funding team what I was with my head. Because we are now talking about operational things. And whether you can't say this doesn't work, this works. How would you get into the conclusion? In my appointment, if there's an intelligence that you have that says unali manipulation, unali things, then you can justify and say, okay, before you continue that, I need brief there you here's about it. But the lowest topic operation on its track, investigation on its track, we stop it. It's going to have some implications. So that was my concern. We check in Dala and local Menai. And for tomorrow, with the legal trailer, isn't being some officials because isn't some officials who is use it. Some officials have done that, and I have an order. It's such a decision now, but a decision of my officials say decision based on some way to apply this mind on it.
Manje nalento ke sivela kanjena kwamina ngingakamtsheli yabona nje hey isiyahlupha ngoba
yilabo sifuna umtshela khona ubona ukuthi the reason why ufuna ukumbona into enjengana lezi
ngoba abantu uyabona kwayena izogcina ifikile kushuthi lento ngoba sazi phela iseculator kanjani lento manje
izofika
and inegama lami phezulu manje sethi awusangitshela into esensitive kangaka
ilabe sefuneka umtshela khona ukuthi ngithe mangabe ngifuna ukubona ngade indaba le wathi wasihlangana eCape Town so umtshela ukuthi bona ndifuna ukubona wathi asihlangana eCape Town. I was willing to driving the winner because there are certain things that came to my attention. But when what was flung in the Cape Town, so within the Cape Town.
Hey. Sengombona kusasa ngimtshele sengomkhombisa nayo lento esibhalwe kanje la. Ngaphela
esizana esayidini manje izinto.
Na isikhuluma yonke into lena as much as nawe kade uwonisha ama fight back nani kodwa le kungathi kuya exaggerate.
That's what is going to stand up.
Ngoba yabona nje angikhumbuli uthi small boy and manje into exakayo the real facts angiwaboni lana yabona nje mekuthiwa mhlambe bekulalela ifoni amafoni ethu kufanele ngabe ubhalile la ukuthi akayiyeke lento mengabe clean noma ukuthi akakaza athathe lutho kumuntu into ezikanjalo kufanele ngabe sibhaliwe la
exactly
mekuwukuthi nomuntu ebelalela amafoni
ama conversation
ngoba yabona lokho bengeka kushiya ngaphela ku inline ngalezi zinto ayishoyo yeah ngoba lokwe warrant awukazi ukusho
imagine
ngazukusho uyichazile impela nje ukuthi fight back nje and I'm sure now umuonisha phela ngoba uyamazi awuqala ukumazi manje ukuthi kuzoba ne fight back la mawuzazi uclean amaphoyisa azokujijibeza
because that's what they're going to do abantu mase befuna ukusurvive nabo bazothi you can't go down on them so that is my only worry Kodwa hayi nokulungile.
Hayi ngizoma-explainela mhlampe-ke uma eseyithola nazo lezi zinto mhlawumbe uzokuthinta.
Hayi ngiyozwa ngayo mina.
Sizozama ukuthi uthini. Then nami uma sengimbonile mhlampe ngizokubrief.
Yabona namanje ngisasho ngithi the biggest thing that I've been talking about angekho umuntu ofuna ukuyilalela kuze kube namhlanje eyokuthi abantu be-crime intelligence make batholakala benze into wrong. Akumelanga bathathwe departmentally. Kumele basuswe kwi-crime intelligence bawubekwa somewhere else. Because they are used to all these dirty things that is going to create a problem for the organization. For instance, bantu banema-access yama-secret estate. As an example, whether uKhan, whether uMuji, whether ubani ose-Cape Town,
Otiyo
ukuthi kunezinto ababa-involve ngazo during their line of operations. Othola ukuthi zi-involva ne-leadership political. Izinto abangathi mase be-desperate ukuthi thina we can't go down alone, bagcine sebezi-expose. Ayisho kudala le namanje ngisayisho ukuthi akasuswe abasuswe one moment ukuthi umuntu wenza into wrong and then liqhama ku-IPD le-recommendation yabo khanda ayithi baqhama ku-IPD okay i-IPD siqhame nento so ndoda sekususa sokubeka somewhere else. By so doing even the departmental thing yakhona Manchester uyabona umshifta kwi-department emaphoyiseni usuke kwenye or umsuse emaphoyiseni umuze kwi-department yazi ukuthi umdluli ngaba edlishela kanjani lekhona
wenza kanjani
kanjalo usithola yokungena lo mdluli kunale-scandal esikhona ngesiphelile yenza so lo muntu uthanda president umthatha umtshela ukuthi akarizane emaphoyiseni umarengele kwi-state security ukuthi umfake kwi-secret operation ye-state security. Ayosebenza as an agent. By so doing upresident uzobahave ukuthi is still around. The public behave ukuthi akasekho emaphoyiseni. Bekode phela ngumdluli bamsusa kanjani njengoba eventually-ke egcine sengene ejele. So nala it's the same thing ngisho bonke labantu abafisa ama-disciplinary steps kwi-crime intelligence bengamelanga bathathwe bengafanele ukuthi mase kuthola evidence ukuthi kune-misconduct so kuthi umuntu akasuse angaphelelwa umsebenzi asuse nje whether ususelwa la emaphoyiseni or usuka kwi-defense intelligence usuka kwi-state security laba basamdinga bangamthoba sangamsebenzisi in another field. Uyabona nje mina personally ngiyazi relationship ukhana nayo no-Julius. Ngiyayazi ukuthi awuclose le ukuya etafuleni was not by mistake. Yabona so umbuzo ekutheni-ke obani aba-influensayo bangabe se-face of music usupport ubani for i-defense yakhe badefende umuntu efuna bamdefende yini.
exactly
bese kuzoba usibiya nawe nezakhe ibisi une-history yakhe naye kwafa abantu eZimbabwe lapha kuthiwa rendition ngemva yabo usibiya.
hayi ngale
So ziningi inkinga ezikhona so into ebalulekile nje ukuthi mina okwami ukuthi
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. uSenzo Mqunu release a recording conversation between his chief of staff uCedric Nkabinde la bekakhuluma khona naNhlanhla Mkhwanazi wayidlala laphana e-HD Hoc Committee and I'm like why adlala aliya leya recording, like it was just so unnecessary. Like he's just trying so much to prove his innocence, and uyayebaqa, and people are saying, oh man, utifaka nje tinkingeni kahle kahle njena utigwaza ngesakho, because that recording was so unnecessary. It was just so unnecessary. Why ayidlale uyidlala ukuthi sendeni? Because that recording actually proves ukuthi vele uMkhwanazi was right. That recording actually proves ukuthi uMkhwanazi uright ngalola kukhulumako ngaye. Because why? Like uzama so much Nkosi yami ukuthi ati prove ukuthi yena umuntu lo right, uMkhwanazi uyamsukela, but utifaka njena egibeni even more, and people are saying ukuthi amen, this guy. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.